Okay, welcome back to our channel. I am here to show you what happens when a stove is wired up wrong, because this happened to me. And I want to explain to you what happens and how to prevent it. So give this video a thumbs up on your way in and let's get into it. Don't let this happen to you and burn your house down. One Sunday afternoon, we were cooking on the stove. Mind you, we moved in this house a couple years back and we were using our stove for years and nothing happened. We were using the stove for a long time, and then the day came when panic rolled in and we heard this popping noise and cracking while we were using the stove. Stove was turned on and the wires were burning. The house was filling up with smoke and you could hear all these noises. So my wife and I started hurrying up and taking stuff off the stove. Like, what's going on? What's happening? Well, I'm here to tell you that whenever I was installing my new stove, this one over here, and I was putting on this power cord, and I quickly realized this is the problem. The person who installed this stove never took the jumper off from the ground up to the neutral wire, and that will create all kinds of havoc because you're running the neutral wire connecting it with ground wire. So make sure you watch the video that's coming up next on the end screen so you don't make the same mistake as this person did before we moved in, because we want to be safe and don't want to have our house burned down. So give this video a thumbs up on your way out if you've seen it helpful, and we'll see you the next time.